In our business, when we do design, we always start with a reference, and we wanted to have a conversation about the living city. What you see behind me is a cityscape called Cliff City. The reference for the buildings is cliffs, and so we did this sort of research project to look at all of the cliff plants that grow on the Niagara Escarpment and in Alvar's crevices to see if they would be a good plant for use on balconies and on facades of buildings. Buildings are cliffs, and so that we really wanted to explore that concept that the conditions on a cliff are very similar, the dynamics, the heat, the exposure, the wind, all of those things are very similar. So maybe the plants that grow on cliffs would do well on buildings as well. We started off from the idea that buildings are just bones with no skin. We want our buildings to produce oxygen. We want our buildings to provide habitat. We want our buildings to have a layer of complexity beyond just the traditional use for humans. When you engage with the public, you get a really good sense of, get feedback right away about what you're doing. And so it's good for us as part of our practice to be able to engage with the public, connect with people in a very short amount of time. Like people walk through in 20 seconds, then they're gone, right? So hopefully there might be some opportunities that come from it. But also it's just fun to just be here and talk about our ideas.